The cabin air filter in 2017-2023 Chrysler Pacifica models is located behind the glove box on the passenger side. First, fully open the glove box. Then, depress the side stops or detach the hinges to allow the glove box to lower completely. Behind it, you'll find a rectangular plastic housing. Release the tabs or screws securing this housing. Note the airflow direction marked on the old filter, usually an arrow, before sliding it out. This orientation is crucial for correct installation of the new filter. Insert the new cabin air filter into the housing, matching the airflow direction indicated on the old filter. Ensure the filter sits properly within the housing. Reattach the housing by securing the tabs or screws. Reassemble the glove box by re-engaging the side stops or hinges. Test the AC system to ensure proper airflow. Replace filters every 12 to 18 months or 15,000 to 25,000 miles for better air quality and efficiency. Consider carbon-infused filters for enhanced odor and allergen control.